Welcome to another video tutorial by MilesWeb. Click on the subscribe button to get notified for our latest videos. How to change WordPress URL using phpMyAdmin in DirectAdmin. Log in to DirectAdmin. Go to System Info and Files section and click on File Manager. By default, the File Manager opens in the home directory. Double-click on it and navigate to the public_HTML directory. In this directory, your publicly accessible files are located. After entering into the public_HTML directory, you will see all your WordPress files. Remember, in case you have installed WordPress in another directory like WP, blog, etc., you will have to navigate into that folder. Navigate to wp-config.php file and right-click on the file and then click on Edit. The wp-config file should get open in another tab in your browser. Now scroll down till you find this section. You can see our database name is this. In your case, this entry will be different from the same format. Now you will have to locate a database in phpMyAdmin. So go back to DirectAdmin and scroll down to Extra Features section and click on phpMyAdmin. You can see phpMyAdmin will be opened in another tab on your browser. Now you will have to locate the database name that has been previously identified from viewing the wp-config.php file. In case you have multiple databases, make sure that you are choosing the one that is specifically noted in the wp-config.php file in previous step. Now click on plus sign to expand the tables. Once tables get expanded, locate the wp_options table. Remember, the prefix of your database doesn't need to be wp_, so just look for the second of the prefix, which would be _options. After locating the _options table, click on the table to display the entries. Identify two entries that you want to modify. These two entries you can see in option_name section as site URL and home. In option_value section, you can see your current website URL. Once the URL entries are located, click on the edit option on the left side of each entry to enter a new domain. You need to edit the URL for both site URL and home. Here, you need to enter the destination URL. While entering your new URL in this file, remember to include the HTTP or HTTPS portion of your domain. After entering the new domain in a proper format, click on Go. Make sure that both entries listed to match. If these two don't match, the site will not get loaded properly. In this way, you can change WordPress URL using phpMyAdmin in DirectAdmin. Hopefully this video was helpful for you. If yes, then hit the like button. For any technical questions, you can contact us on this email ID. Do follow us on other social media platforms.